I absolutely love what I get to do. It's funny, you know, I was meant to be a coach, I think, from the time, and I think I knew it from the time I was probably 5 years old. I was the kid on the playground trying to make peace between a couple friends. I was the person in high school that didn't get involved with the cliques and wanted everybody to get along. I think that's always been important to me, is to help people, to lift people up, and to have a better life. I not only teach doctors and their teams how to create a core foundation, I actually have 4 core words that I live by. Number 1, I want to be a lifter. I want to make sure that everybody that I come into contact with actually feels better, and I've helped lift them up to reach whatever it is that they desire. Number 2, I want to be authentic. I'm wearing a jean jacket because, you know, I was raised on a farm in North Dakota. I'm a farm kid at heart, and denim has always been one of my things, and boots as well. But I want to be authentic. I want to be real to people and not be something I'm not. Number 3, I want to be committed. I'm very committed to my relationship with my husband and our little dog Zoe, and my family. And I think that relationships and culture starts with how I live my life at home. I'm very committed to my clients as well. My mom was a very matter-of-fact farm wife, and one of her favorite sayings was, and I'll say this, come hell or high water, this is happening. And trust me, it did. And so that's a lot of my commitment, I think, where I get from is from my mom. But I help dentists and their teams really create what it is that they want, and I'm committed to helping them do that. And number 4, I want to be happy. For me, it's very important that we're happy in life. In the end, my father and my mom are both, my mom and dad are both gone now, and they both passed away in 2009. And I remember having a conversation with my dad, and we knew he was going to be passing, and I said, Dad, I need to know what's really important. What do I need to walk away with here, you know, before you go? And he was always kind of a jokester, and he said, well, I'm not planning on going tomorrow, but he said, this is going to be good, so you better write it down. And so he handed me his little notebook. He always wore snap shirts, Western snap shirts, and he had this little 3-ring binder that he always carried in there for all of his notes. And he handed it to me, and that's why I know the words that he said to this day. He said, Judy, it's important to not have regrets at the end for what you didn't do. And it's important to be happy in life. And to be happy, you need to figure out what's important to you and make time for it. He said it's important to do your best every day. Make it your day every day. It's not about perfection, just do your best. And at the end of each day, if you can look back on the day and know you gave it your best shot, well, that's pretty much as good as it gets. So that's what I try to do with my clients. I try to help them have no regrets and help them be happier and make time for the things that are important to them, the things that matter, and to live each day the best that they can. So it's worth ending with a ta-da.